There are so many how-to-do items on YouTube, and this one is for you, the fellow that's saying, how do I wash my rocks that have been down in the ground for about 18 years? What happens? The dirt gets in there, falls in there, blows in there, spills in there, and you get some dirt in your rocks, especially on the edges. Now, I'm just doing the edges because I've got a large area, but it's amazing the amount that I get out of there. Got pails full of dirt coming out here, and I've tried a lot of different methods. This is what I've come to, and I've done a good portion of this and changed my procedure a fair amount. What you need is some style, the right clothes, you know, like man style, work boots. You need that special hat that just feels good, and away you go. It doesn't take too long. But I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, and there's probably better methods and easier methods. It's a little heavy for an old man like myself, but I also need some gloves. I need a nice plastic shovel because of the over the earth. I've got a cover in here to keep the weeds out, so I don't rip the cover with that plastic shovel. I've got a barn broom for sweeping. You can see I've got a pail there that is for some of the wooden debris that I throw in when I sort. I've got a special pair of gloves and a garden hose with a nozzle on. So I put these babies on, and away we go. Grab my shovel. This is the hard part, at least for me. Well, the other hard part is if I bend over, and that's not the hard part, it's getting up again at this age. But I'm taking my time, my sweet time, as my supervisor calls it. And I can only do a certain number of these rocks. The sliding part is not too bad, but the lifting part, oh my goodness, heavy rocks. Spread them out over this little strainer I made. Got a chimney there and some lumber. Spread that out. Shovel down. Flex my muscles in case anyone's watching. Do a little shaking. A little snapping. Go like this. And if there's any big pieces of wooden debris or something in there that didn't get through, I just quickly pick that out. I'm not super worried about that, but why not? I'm in no rush. And I am getting paid by the hour. Yeah, that's true. Anyways, I take my garden hose and I do a little spray here, wash all the dirt off. Figure I might as well while I got it out. And they're actually pretty dirty. You should see the water and the dirt I get out of here. I get, I've got about 4 5-gallon pails of dirt from just what I've done so far, and I've got a lot to go. And so I spread, do a little shake, do a little second wash. Don't throw them in the dryer. By the way, a lot of this is dangerous, and I don't advise you try this at home necessarily. Do a little shake on the way over. And I spread this where I'd like it. Of course, in the area that I've swept. And then where I shovel, take the trusty barn broom, do another little sweep, just to get some of that wet in there, and that gets much of the dirt off. Take my shovel, repeat the whole process. Pardon my back, by the way. Probably the best part of me. And you'll see how much dirt is down here. I don't know if you can see in there. Show you how much dirt I've got just on this load, and as I've said, 3 other 5-gallon pails of dirt. So if you have a similar situation with rocks and you want to try to clean them up, I've tried from the surface, vacuuming, all kinds of little tricks. You really don't get it unless you go this far. And take it from me, it's sort of fun. You're out here and it's nice and quiet, but when you're finished, a little bit of a sore back, it's beer time. Head off for a beer. Oh, I've only done one shovelful. Oh, jeez.